Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes. I got a request from subscriber Tausif Hamdani who inquired about a Posca brush. Now, I had no idea what this was, so after some research, I discovered what it is and started testing to see if I could make it. Unfortunately, the brush brand is copyrighted, so I can't call it that, so let's just name this the Posca Marker brush. It's a brush that creates an opaque, highly saturated stroke when pressing hard, but produces a watery, transparent stroke when pressing lightly. It even has a sharp taper point at the ends, just like a brush tip marker. Use these brush properties to create vibrant or softer art, or even use both in the same creation. So, let's get started and make this brush. Start with an open canvas, choose a brush library, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 3%. In Stabilization, set your preferred stabilization settings. In Taper, you can set one of the ends to taper out into a sharp point by moving these nodes here. If you want them both to taper the same way, turn on Link Tip Sizes. Then, turn Pressure Taper Size all the way to max, and turn Pressure to none. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Intense Blending. In Wet Mix, set Dilution to max, Charge to max as well, Pull to max also, Grade to smooth, and Blur to max. In Apple Pencil, let's mimic the size variation of an actual marker by setting pressure size to just 30%. Let's leave opacity at max for saturation variation. Set flow to max, and bleed to max as well. Now let's set tilt angle to 0 degrees. Finally, in Properties, set brush behavior maximum size to max. When using the brush, press hard when drawing your stroke to create the saturated opaque stroke that you can draw over with a different color. Alternately, you can press lightly and create blending strokes to produce variations in your art. You can also apply the same effect when using this brush as a smudger/blender by long tapping the smudge tool and going over the colors and edges you want to blend. And just like that, you have a versatile marker effect brush that you can use to create your digital masterpieces. Let me know how the brush turns out for you. Thank you all so much for the likes, views, subscriptions, and comments. It's truly amazing. I've got more brushes in store for you, so get notified for new uploads. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!